Hi, I'm Rodley for LemTask. In this video, we are looking at common mistakes people make using Zenkit. These ain't flaws. The expectations don't always match how the tool is designed. This is Zenkit's homepage. For those who don't have it, the link is down in the description below. Zenkit focuses on the basics: lists, tasks, due dates, priorities. This is a symbolization in its simplest. Some users expect deeper control, more advantage fields, more workflow rules, more automation. Zen kits keep things light by design. A lot of people make common mistakes by having so many things to do, so many projects that they don't know what this project is for, what is the purpose for projects. They have so many things, so many lists, so many advantage tools, so many fields. Everything is important. When you just click here, as you can, if you just click here, there's a lot of features to help you, be productive. A lot of features to help you organize your work. But a lot of people complicate their own system. They don't have a system, and they intend to put a lot of things together. They intend to not decide what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Instead, they don't have a system that ends up clouding them. If you go to your project, your project is where all of your tasks stay. Your project is where you keep your discipline of your system. For me, I'm just going to show you right now. Instead of people's Zenkit looking like this, it ends up looking like the opposite. The done section becomes the everyday section. A lot of people put so many things in today's situation. Everybody schedules today. They end up having this long pile, but they have to do it today, which is impossible. You need a system, you need planning, and you need a fewer list. The lighter your system is, the better it is for you to continue doing work. Have a strategy. Have a simple 4 to 5 tasks that you're going to complete within a day. Give yourself time. Schedule it properly. And I want to show you what people don't use the most is the Kanban style right here. If people had to use this is instilled in Zenkit automatically. It has its own system that comes with it. The reason why I love this style is that it's easy for you to schedule work. What I'm going to do for you right now, I'm just going to make 3 examples. What I want you to do, I want you to add 5 or 4 things that you are going to do today. So let's start now. Once you just create and get done. So once you have added your list, the to do section represents things that you are going to do. So this section hasn't been finalized when you're going to do it, how you're going to do it, what time you're going to do it. It's there in your list to do. So once you choose to tackle a certain task into the to-do list, let's say you choose to tackle said invoices, you just hold it out, you just slide it into the process. Automatically, this symbolizes that I'm working on sending invoices. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing right now. This is in the process. After I'm done sending the invoices, I just hold it and I gradually slide it to the done section, which is automatically ticked and done, symbolizing that I have completed my task and I have nothing left to do but go for another one, which I'm going to do in process. I'm going to have that call. After having that call, I'm done having that call. I'm just going to take that call and I'm going to slide it like this. This is how completing your tasks should look like. There is no common mistakes because I kept my list short. I have a system. I know what I'm doing. And focus on what you are doing. Once you're done, scratch it done so that you can be able to have space to do others. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LEM tasks. Tasks are captured quickly. You can add tasks using your voice. When it's time to work, you press time. Fewer steps, more execution. If you don't have LEM task, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on it, you just appear on the home beautiful page here and you just get started for free. Once you get started for free, you just apply your name, email, password, and you create your account. This is LemTask. I'm just gonna focus on the brain dump feature here. This feature helps me. There are a lot of features actually in how to schedule your tasks, but I'm here directly to speak to one certain feature. Is the voice feature. Helps me schedule my task very easy and efficient each and every time. So let me just show you guys how do I use this to actually help my productivity each and every day. Working in today. So once I've done that, working. Once I've added that, as you can see, the date's already be added for me. I just have to add the time. I just have to add my priority between which high, low, medium it is. Then I just add it to my schedule like that. So I'm just going to do the second one. This is how I schedule my work here in LemTask. So just go here, start the voice. Sending invoices to clients today. Once that is done, I just instill my dates. My dates already instilled, time and priority. Then I'm just gonna add. Once I'm done, I go to my today's section. This is where all my tasks that I have to do stay. So they appear here. So once I scroll down, as you can see right in front of you right here, um, my tasks have been scheduled, sending invoices to clients, working in vibes today. These are the tasks that I've scheduled. And what's left for me is once this is actually scheduled, I just go down to the tracker section right here. And once I go down to the tracker section, I would just like to go to habits. So sorry, not habits. I want you to go to track analyzer. This also helps you to track how many tasks have you done and how many have you been focusing on, how many will you be continue to do. So each time when you do a task, it should be added up here and gives you a very good rate of how you've been doing. So your tasks are added like that at LemTask. Once they have been scheduled, it's only a matter of time for you to get started. As you can see, times are there to get started and they tell you when it's due. Once it's time to attack, you just click tick and execute once you're done. Just like that, you have completed your tasks. Zenkit works best when simplicity is the goal. Clear list, light strategy, flexible planning. The key is matching the tool to work. When expectations align, execution feels smoother.